Congratulations on your purchase from Canadian Appliance Source. We'd like to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about what to expect from our white glove delivery service. Your delivery experience starts as soon as you book your delivery date. Once confirmed, our teams work behind the scenes to schedule and plan your delivery for your chosen date. In the afternoon, on the day prior, you will receive a phone call, text message, or email with important information about your scheduled delivery, including the 4-hour window, details for how to prepare your home, and any special instructions. The day of your delivery, you will be able to track your delivery through the link in your email or text message. Upon arrival, the team will greet you at the door and do a walkthrough to the appliance's final location. This will give the delivery team the opportunity to identify any potential challenges, such as narrow pathways or obstructions. During the walkthrough, the team will also ask you to identify any items that you have pre-arranged for us to remove. All removals are on a one-to-one basis and must be fully emptied and disconnected from any gas, water, or electrical connections prior to the team's arrival. While the driver is inside verifying the delivery details with you, his partner will be in the truck preparing the appliances for delivery into your home. This includes unboxing the unit and removing the garbage from the unit. Smaller items will be delivered in packaging. Once the delivery has been verified and the space is prepped, then your units are ready to be delivered. The teams will use their available tools to safely maneuver the appliances into your home and set them in place. If you have pre-purchased any installation services, they would be completed at this time. Once the units are in place, the team will ask you to give a final inspection to ensure there is no damage or concerns, and they will ask you to sign their paperwork to confirm receipt. We hope you enjoy your new appliances, and we look forward to hearing your feedback during the short survey that will arrive after the delivery team has departed. Before we wrap up this video, we also want to take a quick moment to let you know about a few services that we don't offer. For safety reasons, we do not install any gas appliances. This specialty service must only be completed by a certified technician. We also do not lift any appliances over railings or islands, and we do not install water lines for fridges or dishwashers. If you are interested in any one of these services, we are happy to recommend a professional installer. Please ask your sales associate for more details. Thank you for shopping with Canadian Appliance Source. We look forward to seeing you again soon.